Oh, that got hot. Alrighty, got the doors on, got them lined up pretty good. Now gonna put the drive shaft in here and get it on the ground. There you go. Access pretty low now. It's sitting real low. What did we do? 1.5 inches or 2 inches for those lowering shackles? 1.25 inches. Those are C10 shackles, got them because they work and they're much cheaper. Alrighty, radiator's going in. Gotta paint the strout. That's nice and black. Ready to go. Right there. Better rake, but it don't look bad. Alrighty folks, if you watched the last video on the crew cab, we tried to get this thing running and the starter was just junk on this thing. We got a brand new one that's also junk because Mopar just didn't make a good starter back then. But there she is. I'm gonna throw this in there and see what the old big block will do. This is why these mugs rust out. On top of these fenders, just a sitting pool of water. You could have a whole tadpole family be hatched in those. On both sides, there's water sitting there. Nice. Getting her down there?
You want to pull the spark plug wire off and see if you can take one out on each side and let's see what they look like.
Think about that spark plug.
It's rusty.
Looks rusty for sure.
Yeah, we better pull them all.
Well, just took the sparklers out of her and they're pretty dirty, so gonna clean them up on the old grinder and throw them back in there because it's the best thing to do. Then gonna start her up. Do we think it's gonna fire up? Nah, probably not. Are we gonna see? Yeah, we are. You know, just got them out of there. The air filter, got that nice one in there. All right, to turn this bad boy over so you don't have to keep going to the cab, turn the ignition on and hook this bad boy up. So what this is, put this on the positive on your battery, so right there, and then the negative here, this little majiggy, we're gonna put that on your solenoid on the wire there that goes down to the starter. And then you'll just be able to go boom, 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 you know, start it up. Them mugs be brand new now. Wants to. It wants to. That's gonna dry out the cylinders though, ain't it? Do it again.
We need to put a carburetor on there.
You need a carburetor?
That carburetor's completely trash.
Alright, so we put a new starter on it, and now needs a new carburetor. Not a new one, but one that actually works. An electric fuel pump. Then we'll see where we're at. We tried.
Don't do it right now. That'll start though.
I tried.
I'm sure it's fouled out the plugs now.
Yeah. We've got a little bit on them. We just cleaned them up too. Missing parts on this, so it's just, yeah.
Well, I don't even know how to try to start. Jesus.
That's chunky.
Here, take the other side apart. That one's full.
Well, we're gonna clean them up and try again.
Maybe.
Turn the pump on.
You can try. Hang on a second, let me see. Okay.
Oh. But this motor I can't speak. This motor might not even be part of this build, so don't know if we want to spend the money to do that. Other stuff is cheap.
It's a good builder.
Yeah. So if you want a big block 383, just leave down comments below and come pick it up from Missouri. Cheap. You heard it. It wanted to run.
Yes. Hang on. That's idle. That's idle. Okay, go ahead.
Oh, I didn't keep it going. I should have kept it going, shouldn't I? I let go of it. Go for it.
Yeah.
Running. Oh! That got hot. Oh man! Unhook this.
Yeah. She wants to run.
Yeah.
She's a runner.
My little pedo mustache about just got burnt off there.
Yeah, if we had all the linkages, I think it'd run.
That was awesome. Well. Smoking a little? Not bad.
Killer.
Huh?
Runs. We get a carburetor, no doubt it's gonna run.
Smoked a little.
We need to get a carburetor. She's a runner.
You think you'll get a carburetor for it?
Torque Daddy 900.
Mm-hmm.
I'll find something.
This is just missing a bunch of danglies.
Nothing else, I'll convert it. I'll get a 2-barrel to a 4-barrel adapter for it, and I'll just throw a 4-barrel on there. I know I can find a 4-barrel that's decent.
Well, it's running there.
Yeah, I just can't operate everything. I need 3 hands.
Nice. Well, $125 spent, and it started up.
Kind of.
Yeah, kind of. So you just put a starter on it, electric fuel pump, and what else did you get?
That's it.
That was $125? How much was that electrical fuel pump?
$55.
Jeez, the starter was $60.
Actually, I spent $70 on it.
Wow.
There's still fire coming over.
Yeah, that was cool. Got on video. Well guys, this video is to be continued on another video. Just wanted to show you guys that this thing is gonna run someday. And yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Till next time. Here's all the junk that we've tried. These are for a small block. They don't work because they won't bolt up. Oh my goodness. Starters, all junk, Mopar starters. But got a new one.
They might be alright.
Maybe, I don't know.
Once we that motor freed up.
If y'all are new to the channel and have not seen this crew cab, it's a 69 Dodge D-200 crew cab camper special. It's got a fancy interior, blue dash with 94,000 miles on her. Interior's pretty sweet though. And pretty rusty, but usually those are gone on these trucks. Floors ain't the best. Doors close good. Original tow mirrors. This thing's 20 foot long, 4,400 pounds. And it's a beast. That's the rough side. We'll get to the good side here. This is the good looking side. Pretty cool looking patina. These are for the camper that it would have had on it. But pretty sweet truck, guys. So the guy that got this truck from, he said it was sitting since 1987, so that's 35 years, 34 years. So the first time it was started up in 34 years right there. It had 91 plates on it. That would make it even 30 years of sitting. Either way, that's a long time for a motor to just be sitting. And she did start up and puffed out a little bit of white smoke, but she will run. Did a little bit of research to see how many of these trucks were made in 1969. There's almost 2,500 of them made, and that's between V8s and 6-cylinders. I believe there's 800 6-cylinders, then that makes 1,700 of the V8 trucks. So 1,700 of these being made total, but that makes even few that were camper specials, 2-wheel drive, long bed, as you see here. So pretty rare truck, really. It's pretty crazy how we got one sitting right here.